Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 1000 amp 9-volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This has been fully tested, checked out, in great working condition. This is remote controlled, air cooled. We'll get this going for you in a second. Overall dimensions, 38 inches length, 27 inches width, 43 inches high. As I said, this is in great working condition. We'll get this going for you right now. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.